Hello everybody, this is a lecture about sine and cosine, and I'm sure that you have to know sine and cosine very well before you go to grade 11, because this is a very important subject. You will have it on studying mathematics, physics, and all the sciences will depend on it. Please pay attention now. Let's take a look at this is grade 10, page 48, 480. 480. Open the book on page 480 and note the difference between the sine graph and the cosine graph. The difference will be mainly like this. Alright, sine graph. Sine 0, you know that sine 0 equal to 0. Alright, so this is 0. Sine 90 equal 1. So when this is 90, this will be 1. So it will go like this. Okay? It will go like that. This is the peak. Okay? You know also, okay, sine 80, sine 180 equals 0. So it will go again like this. This is 180. Alright, sine 270 equal minus 1. So if this is 270, so it will go like this. And this will be minus 1. And sine 260 is equal to 0. This is 360 is equal to 0. This is the sine curve. Please take a look at it. So you can net the difference from the beginning, when it starts at the beginning. At the beginning, if it starts from the center here, 0 and 0, then it means it's sine curve. It's sine curve. While the cosine curve will start like this. This is the cosine curve, it will go on like this. This is 1. Okay, and this is minus 1. You know that cosine 0 here, we know that cosine 0 equal to 1. Cosine 90 equals 0. This is 90. Cosine 200, okay, this is 180. 180. Cosine 180 equal minus 1. Cosine 270 equal 1. And cosine 360 equal to 0. So this is the sine curve and this is the cosine curve. This is the wave, okay? Wave. This is the wave which is represented by the sine function. This is the wave which is represented by the cosine function. You can tell the difference. If this one starts at 0, then it's sine wave. If it starts at 1, this is the cosine wave. Take a look before I erase it, okay? For example here, okay, he did like this, okay? This is page 480, he did like this. I'll take example, maybe take different values from he did, okay? Alright, so this is just by the look, it's a cosine curve, It's a sine curve, okay? So just look at the similarity. Suppose this is 45. Look at this is similar to this one here. Look. Yeah. So this one is 45. And this one, so it's similar, this one is 45. This is 180. So 180 minus 45 will be 135. So this one is 135. Since they are similar. So the sine of 45 and sine 135 shall be equal. So if you look at here, sine 35 shall be equal to sine, 45, sine 45 shall be equal to sine 135. If you check them with the calculator, they shall be equal. Alright, let's for example check another angle. Let's say this angle here, okay, this will be 200. 200. Find the sine of 200. Alright, how far is it from this axis here? It's far, it is 20. This is 20, this is 180. Okay, this is 180. So it's 20. It's far away from the 120. So if this is similar to this one, look here. So this one and this one. This is sine 200. Alright, so we have sine 200. Just taken at the similarity, this one is 360. Okay, take off the 20, it should be equal to sine 340. This is 340 because this is 20 from 360. If you check the calculator, they must be equal. Check your calculator and they must be equal. Take a look before I erase it. This is 340, maybe you don't see it well. Just take a look at it before I erase the table. Let's go to the cosine curve. Cosine curve. It will go like this. Just by the look, it starts from here, from 1. So this is a cosine curve. Alright. So this one here, this one shall be how much? Okay, from here to here, the whole thing is 360. So this one is 90. This is 90. We know that cosine 90 equals 0. So this is 90. This is 180. So this is 90. 180 under cosine is minus 1. Okay. And this is 270, which is cosine 270 equals 0. 360. This is 360, which is equal to 1. Alright, so it will look like this. Alright, let's find out cosine of 45. 45 will be somewhere here, okay? This is find cosine 45. Alright, cosine 45, if you come to the, it will be somewhere here, okay, at the middle. This is 45. So it's here. This is the value of cosine 45. If you check it with the calculator, it will be, or if you do it on scaled paper and you measure it, this will be 0 0.707. Alright, if you take a look at the similarity. Alright, let's see this point. Very similar to the, okay, it will be similar to this point here. Okay, that's 0.707. What's this angle here? This is 200, this is 270. So the angle here will be, so cosine 45 is equal to cosine of 270 plus 45. This is 45. Cosine 270 plus 45. This will be 335. So cosine 45 is equal cosine 45 equal cosine 335. Check your calculator, please. This is the cosine curve. Thank you for now. We will continue.